Alright, so now that we took the stabilizer link out and then the shock, I kind of just, to get the shock out, I took the bolts out the top to there. And then down here, I had to pry underneath the shock a little bit, popped it out, came right out. And there it is. And see how much more room you have now to get to these bolts. Okay. And the thing is though, when you do this, after you've put everything back together, tighten these bolts, but not all the way. And then once you have the car down, tighten them to torque specs after you put it down. That way it sits in the right height. So there you have it. And then now we're going to go down, as I said, to this bolt here. Take these two bolts off here. And then we're going to take this thing out.